What's up, Panda Nation? This is the Panda Photographer once again, and today we're going to be gelling it with some gels. Now, I purchased some Celine 20 kit video lighting gels that was under $11 from Amazon. So this video is not sponsored in any way by Celine. So I just wanted to emphasize two things why you may want to use the color gels for your YouTube content. Now, if you're an individual that cannot afford to actually spend money on your RGB lighting, I would definitely recommend the gels instead. Now, keep in mind, these gels only fit pocket-sized LED lights. Now, I'm using the Viltrox RB08 LED lights. Now, the blue one is actually set at a 8500 Kelvin temperature, so you can get that blue light, a full blue light effect. And this one here is actually using 2800 Kelvin temperature to get that really true red light effect. So do change the Kelvin temperature and the power output to get the effect that you need for your video content. Now, as a Panda photographer, I'm a photographer and a videographer that is self-taught. I'm trying to persuade you guys to maybe think outside the box here. If you're on a budget, and you need to be on a budget, and you cannot afford the RGB lightings, gels are a really good way to go. Now, these LEDs are about $30, and like I said, they Kelvin temperature, and they do oppress me quite well. I lost my train of thought there, but I just wanted to emphasize that, you know, colored gels are really good to use for your videography work. But if you guys want to know my setup right now, I'm going to explain it. I have the newer CN160 with a red filter on top, giving me a little bit of a headlight. And I am using the Viltrox 24x24 with the Aputure H198C. That is power about maybe 40% power. It's double diffused, by the way. I'm using the Sony A77 Mark II with the Sigma 1835. And as I said, this video is not sponsored by any of the people or companies or brands that I mentioned in this video. This video is very independent for you guys as YouTubers and creators out there to help yourselves figure out what is the next step to up the game for your videography work. Now, I will link everything down in the comments, in the descriptions below. Including the scarf if you like the scarf. It's 100% real Shimak, 100% cotton, and it's silky smooth. Ooh. But anyway, also I wanted to say thank you everyone for watching the content on this channel. It really does help me grow, and I appreciate all the new subscribers that have subscribed to this channel. I really do appreciate the support and the sacrifice that you've made for the community here on YouTube. But with that said, everyone, as the Panda photographer, I wish you all a videography and actually Chinese New Year, because it's a Lunar New Year. So with that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share, and please do comment. If you have any thoughts about the video, please leave the comments down below, and what your suggestions what I should do next. And eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.